Welcome, today in front of me Realme C30 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter the Movies Edge. Because unfortunately we have now installed by default the always on display feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store, this one. Now just let's tap here to install this application. Just wait a couple of seconds while this application will downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click Draw Our Apps. Then just select Movies Edge application and click once here to the Movies Edge to the swatcher. After that, just go back to the application, select AUD and select one from the available tabs. Click to apply, and after that, just lock the device. Press twice to the power key, and now we can see that the always on display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.